If you're a man or a woman, or you have parents whose blood pressure have been measured and they have been told by a doctor that their blood pressure is greater or equal to 140/90 for at least 2 separate occasions, that simply means that that blood pressure is high, and what that means is that they have hypertension. But hypertension is not a death sentence. The fact that you have hypertension does not mean you are going to die, all right? Because there are certain things you can do even without taking drugs that will help you reduce that blood pressure to normal. These things, they are called lifestyle modifications. Number one, if you are a man that likes smoking, stop smoking. If you are a man that drink alcohol, stop drinking alcohol. If you are a man and you know that you are overweight, all right, or you are obese, your weight is very high, try and do exercise that will help to reduce that weight. And one of the exercise you can do is called brisk walking. Brisk walking simply means that you are walking at a faster pace for at least 5 times a week, all right? So that means that you can do some exercise that can help to reduce that weight, and one of them is brisk walking. And number 4 is that if you are a man that like drinking like taking excessive salt, or you like eating food that have too much salt content, try and reduce the amount of salt content in your food. If you are a woman too and your husband have hypertension, you just add small salt. Don't add too much salt in the food. Just small salt, because if you add too much salt in that food, or you eat food that is too salty, that will increase the blood pressure of that man. So if you are a woman and your husband's blood pressure is high, all right, reduce the amount of salt content you add in that food, all right? So the 5th thing you can do is that take fruits, eat vegetables. These things will help to reduce your blood pressure. They are called lifestyle modifications, and if you do them even without taking drugs, your blood pressure can be reduced. But remember, if your blood pressure is also high, you must also take your drugs, and you must take your drugs regularly every day.